Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. The former leader of the main opposition in Zimbabwe, Triple C, Nelson Chamisa, says corruption makes Zimbabwe fuel expensive. He says that the fuel pricing structure in Zimbabwe is such a scandal. Adding on, Nelson Chamisa says fuel prices in the country are not just about oil, they are about policy choices and government accountability and credibility. He says until these are addressed together, prices will remain high. While providing fuel prices in other countries, he said there is no reason to have such high taxes in Zimbabwe, indicating that they are the highest in the region. This is the breakdown of the fuel prices that Chamisa provided in the SADC. In Zimbabwe from January to February 2026, it was $56 and in March it's now $2.17. In Zambia, it was $51 and it's now $60. In Tanzania, it was $30 and it's now $35. In Mozambique, it was $20 and now it's $25. South Africa, $4 and now $6. Botswana, $0.10 and is still $0.10. And finally, Namibia, it was $12 and is now $15. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.